Today I'm going to show you how to build this highly converting Shopify blog that conveys the features and benefits as soon as your visitors land on the product page. This is a great way to stop your visitors from bouncing as soon as they land on the website. As we know, we only have about 3 to 5 seconds before someone might bounce, and this is a great way to quickly convey those features and benefits so your potential customers know that they're in the right place. We'll be using the code that we've created today in our free Notion template, which you can find in the description below. Download it below, it's absolutely free, and it comes with a free procedure guide, the Metafields version of the code for Shopify, the standard code version as well. So hey, my name's Matt. I'm a 7-figure e-commerce store owner on Shopify, and I've also been doing web design for the past 20 years. I enjoy teaching people around the tech side of Shopify, and I do all our own Shopify website builds for our own stores, and plus a few others that we do through our agency. So if you're interested in learning how to build beautiful and elegant website designs without the need for heavy apps, drop us a follow and subscribe, and if you've got any feature requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below and we'll do our best to accommodate them for our future videos. Okay, so let's get on with it and let's build you a beautiful website. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to create this really nice bullet points on your product page, and these are great for conveying the features and the benefits of the product. Generally what you'll see here is you'll have your hero statement at the top, which is sort of talking directly to your ideal customer or your target market, and then under that you should list down or bullet point your main features and benefits of the product. Now usually it is best to try and to convey sort of a benefit that has an emotional attachment to it. You should see higher conversion rates when you do that. And obviously it should be speaking directly to your target market. This is an example from Tenzo. As you can see here, they just use the green bullet points. We're actually going to be using the green check marks today, as I think they look really nice on the product page. And this is what we're aiming for. Here again, this is our Play Store, and here you can see we've got the hero statement with the bullet points or check marks underneath. I'll show you also what it looks like on mobile. And here it is on mobile, and as you can see here, the different check marks on the side. Let's get into it. This is where you will be. The first step to implement this into Shopify, and we'll be doing Shopify today, but if you're on another platform, you will just have to copy and paste this custom code into wherever you want it to be placed on your page. And hopefully if you have a basic understanding of how to edit code, you'll know where you need to copy and paste this into. Now, the first one we're going to show you is without Metafields, but there is a second one which you can do with Metafields, and this allows you to display different bullet points or statements or features for each individual product, and you don't have to edit it each time. You just have to put it in the product page using the Metafields. Let's get cracking. The first one is without the Metafields. Here you have your code. This is what you'll be copying and pasting into a custom liquid block within your product page on Shopify. Now, the first thing you need to do in the Notion is actually change what you want to have for your feature. I've clearly put it here in terms of feature 1, where you need to add it, feature 2, feature 3, and feature 4. Just change the text within inside these 2 comments here in the code, and that is what will display on your product page. Now, if you scroll further down into the CSS, I've also commented this. And if you want to change, for example, the color of the font, you can add it here under highlights text -editor. If you want the font to be bold, you can change it here from 400 to 500 or 600. And if you want to change the line height, any reason it's too close or too far away when you look at it on the page, you can also change it here. Once you've changed your text to how you want it, you're going to just copy the code and then go over to your Shopify on your store, and you want to open up your theme and go to customize. Then from customize, you're going to select the product page, and you can either put this on a product page or a landing page if you have them. Today we're going to put it in the default product page. So here we have the product page, and all we're going to do here is, because you've already customized the code with the features, you're simply just going to add a block, a custom liquid block. Take that and drag it under the place that you want it, In this case, we're going to put it directly underneath the price, and then we will just paste it in. As you can see, that's already generated the bullet points with the features that we put in, and you can just check it on mobile. It will look very good. On desktop, we also have it here. Now, if you want to change it to bold for any reason, you're just going to change the code here. I have commented on it. It is a bit easier to do it in the Notion file first before you copy it over, just because it's easier to read, but you can also change it directly here. Font weight, semi-bold is 500 and bold is 600. So if I change that to 600, you'll now see the text is bold. Now, let's say I just wanted to put a part of this in bold. What I can do is I can actually find the feature and wrap it in bold brackets or HTML. And to do that, you just do a open arrow bracket with a B and then a close one. And then to close it off, same again with a slash. As you can see, that put the first bit of the text in bold and the next bit in non-bold. That's it. So after that, you'll just save it. And the benefit of putting it in the custom liquid code instead of directly inserting it into the theme editor or the code editor within the theme is when you update your theme, this will always be there. So you won't actually lose this. So once you've done it once, you won't need to do it again if you update your code in the future. The next one we're going to do is with Metafields, and this one has a few more steps because we have to add the Metafields within Shopify. This is a really great way to do it when you want to implement the same, but you have lots of different products. And this way allows you to have it on all product pages and obviously different features for each of the individual products, because no product will have the same features. To do this one, we're gonna have to do a first step, and we're going to go into Shopify and create our Metafields. You're going to go down to settings, custom data, products, and I'm doing this at a product level. If you want, you could also do this at the variant level. I've actually created one here already for product feature 1. I will show you how to create the next one. You have to do this 4 times, one for product feature 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or if you want to add more, you can even do 5, 6, 7, etc. You go to add definition 1. And we're going to call it product feature 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, depending on the number that you're doing. I'm just going to show you with number 2. Then you're going to click select type, single line text, and that is literally it. And just click save. And now you obviously need to do this 4 times. Good. Now you can see here we've got product feature 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now if we exit out of here and go into our products, I will choose the same one that I used for the other demo. We'll go in here, and then you'll scroll to the bottom, and you should see you have these 4 Metafields here at the bottom of the product. Now all we can do is simply add the line or the feature, benefit, etc. that we want to appear in each one of these fields. Obviously we'll start in numerical order, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now if you have 4 features for one and only 3 for another, don't worry. Just populate the first 3 and the 4th one won't show. If any of these are blank, they will not appear on the product page. You could do 1 to 4 or 1 to 5, depending on how many you've added. I'm just going to copy and paste this in here. So you're just going to add the features that you want here, just to show you. So you're just going to add the features here, just to show you. I'll put this is feature 1 on the product page. And then once you've done that, hit save. And obviously you need to repeat that for all of the products that you want this to be shown on. Next, go back into your theme editor, and this time we're going to copy and paste the code exactly from the Notion template. Click copy, create a custom block, custom liquid block, drag it where you want to show, and paste. Now if I've done this correctly, it should generate the 4 features similar to the previous one. Click save, and then if I go back, now I won't see this here because this is a different product. I didn't add the features to this one. But if I wanted to, I can just change the preview to the product that I did use, and it should appear, fingers crossed. As you can see, that's worked, and now it's here. And if you want to see what it looks like in full screen, this is how it looks. And on mobile as well, it should look the same. And that's that. Again, if you want to customize the bold, etc., you can do that within the CSS before you copy and paste it over, and then add the Metafields. And that is how you add the product features or benefits to your product pages using Metafields. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. It will really help the channel grow. And again, if you have any feature requests, please do drop us a comment and we will do our best to accommodate them. Now go build yourself a beautiful store and melt the hearts of those prospects and turn them into paying customers today.